Please introduce yourself and please be brief.
I will be brief. I am Abdullah Khan, Managing Director, Pakistan Institute for Conflict and Security Studies. My question is from the Commissioner of Indus Water Treaty. You said in your presentation that India has stopped cooperating with Pakistan since 2023. So what was your commission and the government of Pakistan doing during this period? And my second question is from Ahmad Biral Sufi Saab. That as per international law, and Dr. Musaddiq Malik has also highlighted that downstream countries have a legitimate right on the rivers, but we have given a right of 3 rivers to India, all kind of rights, and they have diverted that. So don't you think that India has provided us to reclaim our right on the eastern 3 rivers? If India is running away from this treaty, so why should not we claim the lost rivers which we had lost to India in 1960? Thank you very much.
Commissioner Shah, if you will respond, please.
So your question is that, what the Commission was doing when they stopped cooperating under the framework of the treaty. So I just want to share with you that basically there is a background of this non-cooperation from the Indian side because Pakistan started the arbitral proceedings back in 2016, which were paused by the World Bank for 6 good or bad years. And eventually, in the month of November 2022, the bank constituted the Court of Arbitration. And as a consequence of the empanelment of the Court of Arbitration, which India felt that it is going to be, not very positive to protect the India's interest. So therefore, they stopped the cooperation. And fortunately, by that time, Pakistan's commission as well as the government of Pakistan was in front of the Court of Arbitration. And our first and foremost duty was to place all the record, cooperation, non-cooperation, semi-cooperation before the Court of Arbitration and try to convince the Court of Arbitration that this court has been constituted through a due process and it has all the jurisdiction. And we succeeded and we received the first award of the court on its competence, in which one of the arguments was this basically non-cooperation from the Indian side. And the court said, court basically rejected all 6 objections by India on the court itself. And it basically recognized that the court has the jurisdiction, it was duly constituted, and the treaty framework is valid. So this is what the Commission was doing. So this was first part of your question. I think second is for you.
Thank you, Shahzad. Mr. Sufi.
Very much for your question. Reclaiming the rivers, if I were to frame it legally, we clearly moved to our disadvantage while agreeing to let waters of 3 western rivers come to us and the eastern rivers were given. So we call it in legal formulation that a country, when entering into a contract, moved to its disadvantage. If the contract is now being argued as not existing, then you rightly say there are 3 things then which Pakistan can look at or do. First is the reclaiming, subject to adjustments of the rivers. Second is that we can now object to each and every project which they are making. Earlier, these projects that was shown on the map by Meher Ali Shah Sahab, each of this project is now causing a threat of if the upper riparian wants to starve the lower riparian or interrupt the water, divert it, or cause any discomfort or break the political will, which is the war aim. So they're converting them into military objectives. So in other words, you now have the right to object on construction, tendering, identifying, planning of every site that is coming up, because the guarantee of IWT from their side does not exist. And lastly, since we negotiated this treaty between India and Pakistan, traditionally every state through which a river flows has a locus standi into it. So China, in my view, needs to be also be part of Pakistan's specific discussions because it commences from there. And if you look at Mekong, Danube, and all other rivers, the tradition is all riparians through which the river is running, they are parties to that arrangement.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।